Hello everyone, Therapy Horse here to help you when you need help most, of course. Now today, I'm trying to help out a good friend of mine who accidentally left his iPhone in the rain. Yes. You see, it happened because he didn't pay for it, and Mommy and Daddy did. Yes. Okay, so we want to fix it, so I looked up YouTube, and this is what I found. And I made a little checklist here. Let's see, okay, first thing, screwdriver, pair of pliers, and a paperclip. And there we go. Paperclip, screwdriver. Okay, we've got that. Checklist. Yes, 1 case of Beck's Sapphire beer. This would be the, oh, it's a premium light beer. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, next. Okay, here we go. 1 box of Trojan condoms. There's a pleasure pack. I don't know exactly what that has to do with fixing iPhone, but we shall see. Next, a shotgun. So, we have everything we need. Now it's time to fix this phone.